Hey, if you're watching this, chances are you're feeling really heavy right now. Maybe your partner wants sex way more often than you do, and every time you say not tonight or pull away, that wave of guilt hits you hard. You love them, you don't want to hurt them, but you also feel pressured, exhausted, or just not in the mood. And then you start questioning yourself. Am I broken? Am I not attracted to them anymore? Why can't I just make them happy? First, let me say this straight from the heart. You are not broken. This is incredibly common. Mismatched sex drives happen in so many relationships. It's not a sign of failure, it's just human. The guilt cycle you're in, where you feel bad for saying no, they feel rejected, tension builds, and intimacy actually drops even more, that cycle is painful, but it's also breakable. You're not alone, and it doesn't have to stay this way. Today, I want to share 4 simple, free things you can start doing right now to ease that pressure and stop the guilt from running the show. Tip 1. Name it without blame. The moment you feel that guilt creeping in, pause and say to yourself, or even out loud to your partner when you're calm, hey, our desire levels are different right now, and that's okay. It's not anyone's fault. Removing blame stops the shame spiral. It turns "I'm failing you" into "we're navigating this together." Small reframe, huge relief. Tip 2. Shift from sex or nothing to broader intimacy. Pressure often comes when sex feels like the only way to connect physically. Try building in non-sexual touch instead. A long hug, cuddling while watching something, holding hands on a walk, or giving each other a slow shoulder massage, no strings attached. This fills the intimacy tank without the performance demand, and often desire starts to flow more naturally when the pressure is off. Tip 3. Set your yes conditions clearly and kindly. Instead of just saying no, share what helps you get a genuine yes. Things like, I feel more open when we've had time to connect emotionally first, or stress kills my drive. If we tackle the to-do list together earlier, I usually feel more in the mood later. This gives your partner helpful info instead of just rejection. It turns no into a wall with directions. Tip 4. Set a guilt-free no policy for yourself. Give yourself full permission to say no without explaining or apologizing every time. You don't owe anyone your body, even in a committed relationship. Try this mantra. My no is valid, and it doesn't mean I love you less. Say it until you believe it. When guilt shows up anyway, notice it, breathe, and let it pass. Don't feed it with self-criticism. These aren't magic fixes overnight, but they interrupt that guilt, pressure, rejection loop and create space for real connection again. You're allowed to protect your own energy while still loving your partner deeply. If you want to go deeper, maybe explore how desire really works, improve communication around sex without the awkwardness, or learn tools to balance mismatched drives with zero shame, I've got a recommendation. Check out climax.ho. They've got over 150 hours of expert-led, shame-free guidance on desire, pleasure, communication, and intimacy, created by pros and loved by hundreds of thousands of people. It's a great next step if you're ready to invest in feeling confident and connected again. Link in the description. Don't miss your opportunity. You're doing better than you think just by being here and looking for solutions. Be gentle with yourself. You've got this. If this resonated, drop a like or comment what tip you're trying first. I read them all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.